In this video, we show you how to convert this normal marketing asset to the brand new modern UI UX. You can see this is the normal and also have not any background, and it converted into this one, into this one, and into this one. It's also detect your branding fonts, etc. So you have just to fill out the form, and then boom, your full marketing asset which generated by AI. And you can see it looking very nice. You can see ship modern moments, and it also detect your tagline. And you can see this one, you don't need to think like what I am type in this title or what I need to put in background. All it done by AI, your AI image system. So let's go check how to build this brand new n8n automation to create AI assets. If you are going to launch a new product, then you have just to do fill out the form. I opening this form in the new tab. You can see it required product name, product tagline, and product image means your package and your main benefits and product category. Then boom, your full marketing asset like all these is live within a few minutes. So let's go check how to build this full AI automation within a few minutes. I also provided this free templates in my resources in description. So I'm going to in the new tabs, and it's our new tabs and create a workflow. Okay, so first start with our form submission. Also you can directly add your website like a Shopify or WooCommerce here. If the product is uploaded by you in the Shopify, then it automatically trigger. But now I am using a on form submission method. So go to here on first tab like a on form submission here. So right now we are in a test URL, and you have just need to create some details for this form. So you can see it required a form title. So right now I am giving a few required details from this old form, but you can add as per your customization. Your first field is form title. So this is our form title. Copy, I am copying this one and pasting here. And description, so this one is the description. You can add as per your customization and needs. And it asking the form elements, go to add form elements section, and your first elements is form name. So I'm typing the form name, and it's contain tags placeholder. Like if you want to put, then just it show here as a placeholder, but I don't need. So it also the required fields. Your another form field is, you can see, product tagline, and this one is your product tagline, and it's also required fields. Other is like a not a text, it is a file because we want to upload a image. So this one is a upload product image. Paste the field name as a title, and accepted file like .jpg, .png, .wp. Okay, you can put this type of files in this image section. And our other section is highlight the main benefits. So I am copying from here, and this also required field. And our other field is highlight main benefits, like which is the main benefits of these products, and it's also a required field. If you want, it's not a compulsory to turn on this. Okay, so go to here. Our last is product category. So uh, add product category, and it also contain tags and also required fields. Turn on this also, and our full form is ready. Our first step is ready. back to the canvas again, and I'm executing this workflow for look how it works. So it's opening in the new pop-up and upload a product image. So I am uploading our first one image which has no background, or also it contain a packaging. You can put as per your main products highlights, and also you can put a product category. So I'm picking it from here. So I put all this information and submit button. Form submitted successfully. Close this one, and you can see our data is here. Green mark means our data completed here. Okay, I right now using this product, but you can use as per your needs, or if you are launching a brand new product, then use your product. It is for other demo purpose. It's not compulsory to use this one, and we know this brand from the starting, so I just put this information in this form, and also created graphics for this product, but you can use your own products. Our second step is set field, because we want to add these in a one field. So you need to change the mode of your fields. At a JSON, we adding a custom JSON. It work like convert data into the one required form. So I adding a custom JSON path here. So I provided this in the description in the resources section without any charge. So you have just to put your few info, little bit info, and boom, here this all the resources and prompts along with free templates you can easily access from that link. It contain brand name, brand tone, like a modern, uplifting, social, color theme, background style. So it is different for the different products. This one is for the beverage drink related product. If you have a skincare product, then you need to put another JSON path. I also provided for the same in the same resources section. I'm going to back to the canvas again. So over this field, let's execute this one. It's so you can see it is in the required output: brand name, brand tone, color theme, background style. So back to the canvas again. Our third one is the AI agent. So go to plus tab and first one AI and the AI agent. Okay, so select define below and prompt message. We will type after some time, and add a option which is a system message, and remove this one and type system message which I provided on the same link. Okay, so it also contain brand name, brand tone, product, etc. Now let's type a prompt user message. I'm copy paste from the same link. So it contain a product name, tagline, brand name, and the tone. And if you found like a red here, then you have to just remove the each and every step. I am removing this one as a product name and pasting here from that form. You can see product name, so you can just drag and drop here. So it again a green mark, and if you have like a tagline as a red mark, then you have just to remove that red mark and drag and drop this product tagline from the form submission. Okay, so you check this all field are green, means our prompt user message is good. Okay, with green mark. And we also added the system message. We need to turn on this required specific out format, because this one we are working with specific output. If you don't turn on this, then your images is like a random. Back to the canvas again. Our AI agent is ready. Connect chat model. So I'm connecting OpenAI here, OpenAI chat model, but this time it need a special verification. So you can see our OpenAI dashboard. If you don't find how to access this, so type OpenAI API. So you have this first link. If you are a first time user, then sign up here, and you can see these three main option. Go to settings section, make sure you have the organization is verified, because we are using a custom HTTP request for using the GPT image 1 model. You have just to put the verify button, then it access your face ID for face from your phone, and also maybe required your ID card, government ID card. So you can put this one and verify this one. It's like a 3-4 minute process, so you can do that. And then after, you need to go to dashboard and go to API keys. And if you don't created any API keys, then create a new secret key, and you have to put a name, like we are giving a AI asset, and create a secret key here. I added my API key, I copy paste and save button, then our OpenAI account is added successfully. I'm going to the canvas, so you can see you have to select 4.1 mini or 4.0. Okay, you can see 4.1 mini, and make sure to put some amount in your this dashboard. So you can go to settings section and go to billing section, this here, and you can see right now we have $2.5. So you have to put $5 to $10 at the starting base, and then you can able to use this image generation model. Okay, I'm going to n8n again. So we have connected OpenAI chat model, and right now we need to connect the output parser. So you can see plus on this icon, and we need structured output parser. So click here and remove this one and paste this code. I also provided this JSON example. Okay, you have to select generate from JSON example, first one as default, and it also contain a few assets like an Instagram post, Instagram story, and the website banner, and it contains 6 different assets. Last one is the product page square. If you want to add another few, then you have to copy this here, copy this one and paste it again. So you have another 7 number asset. If you want to create like 15 asset, then put the same again and again. So it contains 6 different asset, so you have to put from that resources, and it is free to access. Okay, I'm going to back to the canvas again. Now we have a very structured data. So if you like asking why this is added, because we want 6 different asset with the surface type, with the accent, with the font. It like use that same font, that same resources. Okay, so you have to put this structured output parser. Okay, back to the canvas again. So let's execute this workflow from here. Execute this tab, it's working or not. You can see it executing, and just wait few times. So you can see we have the output with all the assets, like asset 0, which contain Instagram post with the background tone, with the surface type and lighting, camera angle. So it's you can see it also Instagram story, website banner, add creative. So I'm going to back to the canvas again. Now we have this AI agent connected, but now we want to create one agent which can able to generate or edit the image. But before it, we have again need to add one custom code here. So type a code, so we have the first field, so click here and code in JavaScript, so we are putting here in JS format. So our mode is default one, run once for all item, language is JavaScript, and the paste the custom code here. It contain in our resources section, so I'm copying here and pasting here. So again execute this tab. Okay, so you can see our output is here, which contain a one file name. So you can see this our AI agent removed the file which has added in the contact form here. So it contained file but it removed here, so we need this code to show the file here. So you can see view button, so we have this file again in our workflow. Back to canvas and plus icon, and right now we are adding a OpenAI, and you can select here is like a generate an image. You can see it contain a few models, but it has not a GPT image 1 model, so we need to access that. So you can see the docs file documents, so go to docs and type image, so create image edit. So we have a create image, generate image option, image edit. So we need to put a custom HTTP to access this API, so it contain a post as a this URL. So back to canvas again, I am deleting this one and going to plus icon again and type HTTP request, first one option. So method is post here and URL is from here. Okay, and the authentication is none, and let's put headers here. So if you like know about these docs, then it contain like need a headers to access this API. So your head name is like a authorization. Okay, and the value is bearer and your API key, which I copied from that. So first of all, make sure to paste that API keys, and if you don't know that API keys or doesn't copied or pasted in your Excel, then create a brand new API again and use that here. Okay, so go to API keys and create a new API keys, so you can only see that code only one time, so you have to put that code in your file or in your Excel and need to paste here. Right now I'm not pasting here, but you have to put here. Okay, and we need to add another option because these docs contain all the information. Like if you want to access this image generation model, then you have to put that all the image. So you can see create image edit. So this our API docs each contain all the information, and it asking like a you have to put the body section. So body is also in the form data content type, so parameter type is form data. Let's go first add the binary file, which is this file. Okay, name for this is like image which available here. We have to put the n8n binary file as the name of image, and the image value is like data. In our case the value is data, and the create another parameter, and it is a form data, not a n8n binary file. So our name is a model, so we are adding a value as a GPT image 1 as a value, because you can see the talks here, it contains the GPT image 1, so you can directly copy and paste here, add another parameter which contain a name like prompt, and this one is the main one for this HTTP request. Okay, so value is, so I'm pasting here from that resources, so it has some red value and open in the new pop-up. So you can see it contain the background and the surface, accent prop, camera angle, etc. So remove this background, and our code asset is contain this all the information. So right now I am using this AI agent, and it contain the output asset as a 0, and it contain, you can see, contain background. So drag and drop the background here, make sure to put in the valid area. So you can see right now it is a green mark, means it is perfect good. I'm removing this one red sign as a surface, so drag and drop this surface type, accent prop. So drag and drop this here, and make sure to delete that red area very carefully. Okay, so you can see here I need to remove that and lighting, so drag and drop the lighting here and remove that red area, remove the angle, and drag and drop camera angle here, overlay text, drag and drop here, and remove red area. Back to canvas again, so make sure your value is green mark, and this value is for the Instagram post. You can see here it is a 1080p by 1080 pixel, so means it is for the Instagram post. So back to the canvas again, but this model is contain only one line, but we want to add a switch option because we need to create another 6 assets. So I am adding a switch here, type switch this one, and it mode is rules, and the first value is go to schema and AI agent. You can see our value as a Instagram post. You can see copy this Instagram post, and add the value number 2 here, and drag and drop this assets and paste here. Green mark means it is a true, so we have to put another few routing rules here. So add another one, add, so we need to add 6 different routing. Make sure to use all different ones. Okay, so we used this asset 0, now we're using this asset 1 as asset type. So paste here, and this name is Instagram story. Again, go to asset number 2, name is website banner, paste the website banner, and drag and drop the value 1 is as a website banner from the asset number 2. So make sure to put the exact details. If you like put the wrong details, then your whole AI automation workflow not work. So we added 2 number here, so you can see 2 number. Now let's put third asset number as a asset type. So drag and drop here, and the name is add creative, and we have another 2 assets. So add routing data and asset type, drag and drop here. The name is testimonial image, so copy and paste here. And our last 6 number asset is product page square image. So drag and drop and copy this name, paste here, and make sure to turn on these convert types where required, because we are using a switch and it work for the all the lines. So it work for the all 6 different assets. So, and also we need to create a option like a send data to all matching outputs here, send data to all matching outputs, and turn on this again. So right now our C switch is perfect, so you can see our switch contain 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 different line, and I'm executing this one. So it give me one error. which name is authorization failed because we added a bearer key name, but you have to put the value as your key here. So you can see value, I added my key here, and then I am again executing this tab. It's working or not. So it taking some time means it working perfectly. So you have some patience because it generating the image, so it takes some time. So you can see our request is container b64 image. So it is the one type of image format. So let's go convert this format into the png or jpg. Go to plus tab and type like a convert image. So you can see this one, convert to file, and the last option, move by 64. So this file is our 64 json file. So drag and drop the file here to get this step again. So this converting b64 json file into the png or jpg. Now you can see our this node executed successfully. It contains 1.48 MB file. So let's view this how it's look. So you can see our first image Instagram post is ready. You can see this font and this font is as per the branding. Now we want this for the different assets. Let's upload this file into the our drive folder. So I am typing a Google Drive. You can type Google Drive, so it has the Google Drive option. So you can see we want to upload a file, and if you want to like automate the folder method, so let's go add here the folder. After anyone like adding this form, then your drive folder create successfully. So I'm adding here Google Drive as a creator folder. So you can see a folder action is a creator folder. So I already have this credential, but you have to create new credential. So it contain a client ID and client secret. So this one is the main step. It's not a very easy task. It contain to use the Google Cloud API. So you have to type a Google Cloud API. So this one is the main first option. So you can see this console tab. So click here console tab, and then you have these few options. You can see APIs, admin, billing, etc. So you have to need a Google Drive API. So go to here API section, and then go to credentials. Click here. So you can see in our case this auth 2.0 client IDs here, but if you didn't create it, then plus create a current year, and then first one API key, and it asking a name, like I am providing name like a asset. Okay, you can put as per your needs. After creating this one, you have these two data. So go to here, you can see client ID and client secret. Then after you have one option like as a sign in Google. So you have to click on that button, and then after it transferring to the Google normal sign in option. Already have Drive account connected, so I am selecting that one, and we need create a brand new folder. So resources folder, create option, and the folder name is OG1. OG is our product name. So you can see this is our product. It's a alcoholic beverages. I never recommending you, but I know this brand from the starting, so I just use this as a demo purpose. But make sure you have 21 plus age to purchase this in the US and doing the great business in the US. So you can see our AI asset generated folder is a different OG, and you have to create one folder by new button or a new folder and give a name as per your needs. I given AI asset generated, and then after another folder it created automatically by this AI system, by this automation. So in our case we are giving a OG1 and in the my drive and folder name is AI asset generated. So we created earlier this folder, so make sure to select this one and back to canvas again. So let's execute this step, it creating the folder or not. Okay, so it's taking some time and you can see executed successfully, and here our OG1 folder is live. So you can see our previous nodes contain one image. Node executed successfully by creating the folder. So you can see it contain a view button. It contain again a different one image which also looking very good. I thinking like how it's creating this type of UI very quickly. Now we want to upload this generated image into our this OG1 folder. So click plus here and type again drive here. So Google Drive, can see upload file option. Click here and it is a file operation is to upload, and the input data field name. So our input this one, we want this image into our drive folder, and the file name you can give like file name as a insta post, because this one is our first one as an insta post, and parent drive is my drive, and folder is you can select here from here directly as a OG1. But if you want to accurate folder, so type ID here. So go to that OG1 folder. So last one is this one is our OG1 folder, and this one contain the ID. So all your images uploaded here without any error. So type that ID here. Okay, so I did this one. Let's execute this tab. It uploading on this OG1 folder or not. Okay, so it taking some time, and you can see your node is executed successfully, and we have that image here. Click here, you can see our image is here from that automation task. Switch is available, so let's put this for the other assets and copy this 3 tab. So control or command, if you are using a Mac, then command and click, command and click, and command and click. So you have these 3 selected, so control C or command C. So copy it to clipboard and paste again. So you can see this second one again paste. So you can see third one, we need 6 different one. So add control V or command V for 6 times. So you can see 5 and 6. So now we have this at 6 times. Let's finish this second step. So we are connecting second one with this second one. So rename this if you want, like we giving a like it is a story. So name story and rename again, and click here, and you have to edit only one field, which one is your prompt, because it is a different value for the different assets. So click here, so it's showing a green mark, but this one is for the Instagram post. So remove this one and paste from that same link. So right now it's showing me the red mark. So you have to go to the AI agent and go to our asset number one. So you can see the background. So drag and drop the background. Make sure to use that only. Asset number one, Instagram story. And it can require the surface. So you can see surface type, accent, prop. So paste accent, prop here, lighting. So paste lighting here, angle, camera angle. So paste here, and the text. So paste here. Now we have this green mark, but we need to remove this red. Okay, so remove this all the red marks. Now we can see I removed change the upload file name. Okay, it is the Instagram post, but we want as a Instagram story because this is our second asset. Rename this and back to canvas. So attach this third line with this third asset. So you can see HTTP request to, you can rename it by double click and then rename option. Let's suppose this is for the website banner. I am giving a banner name, and you have again need to access the prompt here. So form data, name as a prompt, and the value we can see I also provided step by step, so you can easily copy and paste. And paste here. Again, showing me the remark. So go again here and you can see view or user one, or user is sorry, and go to two and visit the website banner. So you need to drop background. So type here, action here, lighting, find up, and angle, and the text here. Okay. So I'm doing this. Next, connect for 8 and 6. I hope you will next I will number for the this one, which I will later. So I'm copying that from here. And let's name this by the click and add click and then right here over here. So you can see you have to change the prompt again. So I'm going to paste here. Again for that step, over here, go to add and see activity. You can see activity, add right from here. I will background, background here, surface, background here, action, background here, lighting, background. Do that with plug in my Mac. So remove that from here. You have to change the name. The second one contain the name as a Insta story. Back to canvas. Third one contain a name, same first one, but change it as a website banner. Back to canvas again. And the fourth one is name. It's like a ad creative. So go to back to canvas again. Now I am doing this two step. So make sure to follow the same thing for this two. Okay, so I'm doing this and posing this video. This two one created by me. Okay, so you can see testimonial image and the product image. You can double click here and rename it here, and they also change the file name. So it contains the file name different for the different 6 asset. So you can see file name is product name. Back to canvas again. Now our full workflow is ready. Sign the name. We are giving AI asset. Okay, generator. Now it looking messy. Then click here. So it is well placed. Save button here. Make sure to save this after some time. So right now I am changing the form as a production URL and change this from test URL to the production URL. Back to canvas again and execute this workflow again. So it opening in the new tab. I am typing same product name as OG. I type all this information and submit this button. Okay, so it taking some time and uploading form submitted successfully. Close this one, and now you can see our workflow. It ready. So it giving a green mark for the all this one means all these are the correct, and executing this first one, then after second one, then after third one. So it take maybe 15 minutes or 5 minutes as per the server. Sometime OpenAI server is too busy, then it take more than 5 or 10 minutes. So let's wait for 5 minutes for this workflow. Now our first line is completed, then it going to for the second line, and you can see OG1 folder. It contain two Instagram post because first time we executed this one. This is the last step, so wait some seconds, and then after boom, our full AI asset generated successfully as per our branding, as per our tags, and the modern UI UX. You can see workflow executed successfully. Go to that OG1 folder and you can see our all the creatives. In our case, insta post 2 time because we executed first time and then again we executed wall or AI automation. So you can see add creative, so try OG today. So it's looking very gorgeous. You can see praise and the whole product is also looking good. See modern moments and the perfect. It's looking like put it here as a real, but it's not a real. This Insta post, you can see 15% off Instagram story. By using this one you can create Facebook meta ads. This type of graphics generating thousands of dollars of sales. So it can very good. I am zooming this one, also looking very good, and this ribbon also looking good. Check another one, OG shop now. So let's check last one, loved by many. It also looking very gorgeous. So you can see our 7 ad creative or graphics created by this AI automation. So I provided the link for the all the resources and codes so you can use it easily, create for yourself. And if your account is new, then create a n8n account, brand new account. I provided the affiliate link. Make sure to use that link to support this channel. I already added the calendar link, but on that calendar link we got a random users messages. So please don't message if you are not ready to work with us. And I also provided brand new link for consulting and book a slot with me. Also some people ask about AI marketing services, then our HAP media agency providing all the services. So you can click on that and check our service section, okay, which contain all these services: AI automation and consultancy, web design, SEO, all the AI marketing. And we are using AI and human expertise to give a best result. So we have 98% satisfaction rate. You can also submit a contact form in our website to access this all services. And if you have any other doubts, then comment in this video. I will guide you on the next video. I hope you like my this explanation and this video. So we will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.